In this video I'm going to show you how to use actions to create flipchart pages that are interactive, so that when you, for example, click on a button like this, it shows some extra information that's been hidden away from view, and then I can click on that information and it reveals answers. So in this one, clicking shows some working out, so a bit of a hint, and then clicking again shows the answer for each calculation that needs to be completed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick literacy activity and show you how to build this up. I'm going to look at words that when I add a prefix to them, we create the opposite of that word. So for example, we're going to look at the word impossible. So I create them as two separate text boxes because I need to be able to split them apart and click on one text box and have the action affect the other text box. So there we go, impossible. And let's just duplicate that so that I don't have to line them up again or do anything strange. So unsuccessful is another example, and a third one would be disapprove. Okay, so I've now got my text boxes set up ready for me to assign actions to them, and actions are all done through the browsers like most of the advanced features, and the actions browser is the second to last little tab, so make sure you're in the actions browser. Now it's all going to be greyed out until you click on an object, and then you can assign an action to a particular object. So if I click on the word possible, all the possible actions for me become available, and you can do absolutely loads of different stuff with this. If you click on clock, you can start a timer. If you click on dice roller, you can have dice rolling across your screen. Absolutely anything you can do in ActivInspire could be controlled through actions. So I'm going to use the hidden action, which hides something from view. So I click on the little dot 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 because I don't want it to hide itself. I'll just cancel that and show you what would happen. If I don't have a target, it's only going to hide and unhide itself, which isn't much use. So I want to be able to target something else, and I want to target the im. So I make sure that the im is selected in my object selector and press OK, and must always remember to press apply changes, otherwise it doesn't save what you've done. So now when I click on possible, the im appears and disappears, so it hides and unhides as I click it. I can also assign an action to the im that would start playing a sound, so open document file or sound, and I've actually recorded from a dictionary website a recording of the word impossible. So if I apply those changes, it's going to just ask me a load of different stuff, and I just want the defaults. I'm OK for that, so press OK, and now when I click on the im, the word plays automatically, so you get the pronunciation of that word. So I've got two actions embedded on this page. There's absolutely loads of different stuff you can do with actions. You can move things between different layers to change the layering of something. I find the most obvious one to work with is hidden, but obviously just by playing around you can find lots and lots of different things that you can do. So if I just do it again for unsuccessful, so click on successful, go to my action browser and choose hidden, change the target so that it targets the un, press OK and apply changes, and now it works for that one as well. And then disapprove, hidden, and the dis, apply changes, remembering always to apply changes, otherwise it won't save what I've done.